Suppose you want to buy a bike. So you take a loan of 20,000 rupees from the bank and this money is called as principal. Bank gives the money for 2 years at the rate of 6% per annum. So 2 years is the time period and 6% is the rate of interest. Basically, bank will be charging a small fee every year for the money you are borrowing. This fee is called as simple interest, which is charged as a percentage of the principal. So 6% of 20,000 is 1200, which is the interest you owe to the bank after 1 year. Remember that simple interest is simple. It remains same every year. Every year you will be paying 6% of 20,000. Okay, you will be paying 6% of 20,000 as the interest every year. So second year's interest is also rupees 1200. And at the end of second year, you return 20,000 plus the interest 1200 plus 1200, that is 2400. You return this money to the bank after 2 years. And this total repayment that you make is called as amount. Amount is basically principal plus the interest for the years that you have borrowed the money for. Now simple interest is R% of the principal. So R by 100 into P, and it remains same. Same interest is generated every year. So we multiply it by number of years. This is the formula for simple interest. If time period is in years, rate should also be yearly. If time is given in months and the rate is annual, then we will divide the rate by 12 to get monthly rate. Let's solve a question. Find simple interest on this much rupees. This is principal and this is rate, and time period is 9 months. So simple interest is what? PRT upon 100, that would be 76,000 into R is 16 3s are 48 plus 250 upon 3 upon 100 into 9 months would be 9 upon 12 years. That would be 9 upon 12. Solve it. And get the value of interest as rupees 9,500. Next. According to simple interest, a certain sum amounts to rupees 15,000 in 2 years and to rupees 20,000 in 4 years. Find the initial sum. Sum amounts to, that means this is the amount given. Okay, that would be principal plus interest. If interest for 1 year is I and this amount contains interest for 2 years. Okay, so this would be P plus 2I, principal plus interest of 2 years. And the sum amounts to 20,000 in 4 years. So 20,000 has interest of 4 years in it. So it would be P plus 4 times the interest of 1 year. Okay. P plus 2I is 15,000 and P plus 4I is 20,000. If we subtract equation 1 from equation 2, we get 2I is equal to 5,000, and put 2I is equal to 5,000 here. Principal will come out to be 10,000 rupees, and that is what is asked in the question. We have to find initial sum, that would be 10,000 rupees. So this was simple interest. Pretty easy and straightforward. Few points that you should remember for both simple interest and compound interest are that 1 year is of 365 days. Okay, and not 365 days and 5 hours and 48 minutes that it actually is, but it would be of 365 days, and 1 month would be of 30 days. And during day wise calculation, include either the day on which money is borrowed or the day on which money is paid back. Count only one of these 2 days. Okay. And that was all about simple interest. Thank you.